Hi everyone, I'm Alex and welcome to our crash course. Hey! Today we're going to be discussing the difference between a few of our product lines, specifically our swirls, artisans, compounds, and extracts. As you can see, we do have a wide variety of products that you can work with. Because a lot of our product lines have overlapping applications, we wanted to help clear up any questions that you might have concerning them. This will be great if you're trying our products for the first time, or if you've worked with our products a little bit and just need a little bit of a refresher. So, let's get started. So let's talk about our first product line, our swirls. This is one of our easiest products to use because it's our most straight use product. It's made with fresh fruit and it's shelf stable, and it can be used in a variety of applications. One of the best ways to use this product is for our swirl or marbleizing effect in cheesecakes, but also you can use it as fillings in pastries. We've worked with a lot of different pastry chefs who have noted they like to mix 1 part of our swirl with 3 parts glaze to use it as toppings on a lot of their cheesecakes, pies, and tarts. When people hear swirl, a lot of them just assume that it can only be used for pastry kind of applications. Because of the fresh fruit and the bright flavor, they actually work very well in marinades and sauces as well. So it can help vamp up that next weeknight dinner with some fresh flavors. Yeah, that stuff. We have over 50 different flavors in this product line, so you do have quite a few options, especially if you need something that's a little bit more forgiving if you're a first-time baker. I got it. We got it, we're good. And if you'll notice, this has a little bit of a thicker jam consistency, kind of similar to what you would think of with a jelly. What you do is just kind of mix it in, and it's gonna help bring in that vibrant flavor of watermelon or cherry or blueberry. And it gives you that nice pop of color and that really fresh flavor. And it creates that perception in a pastry application. I really enjoy eating these straight, and this is definitely one of those that you can kind of just taste on the go to make sure it kind of fits with what you're trying to do. Watermelon. Oh yes, this is watermelon. It is delicious. So our next product line is our artisans. These products are probably my favorite. They're originally designed for colder applications like ice cream, gelatos, or even sorbets. They have a really bright sweetness and tartness built into them, so when you're using them in a cold application, the flavor really shines through. We have found by working with our customers, they actually work even beyond the cold application medium. We've seen them in buttercreams, icings, ganaches, smoothies, kombucha, beer, cider, spirits. They're a great alternative to the standard fruit puree, saving you time on prep, storage, and use. So this product line features over 50 awesome flavors to work with, ranging from the fruits to the chocolates to salted caramels to popcorn and ube. Hands down, one of my favorite flavors in this line is our passion fruit artisan. I love this. It just pops and zings. If you could smell this jar, you wouldn't believe the flavors that you get from this. It feels like you just pulled the passion fruit off the tree and ate it. I cannot even describe it. So what's really cool about the Artisan Natural Flavors is they have a honey-like consistency. So when you're working with them in a beverage application, sometimes you do need to stir them up, but within pastry, they're kind of easy to manipulate and to work with. They do have a highly concentrated flavor as well and some added sugars in there. So you do need to be aware of that when you're kind of working with your recipes, because you might need to adjust the sugars on your end so you don't have an over impactful product. So the next product line we're going to discuss is our compounds. Our compounds can be used in a variety of different applications. These products are actually more heat stable, so they work amazing to be used in cakes, cookies, donuts, pastries in general, awesome for. While working with our customers, we've found that it really extends beyond just the pastry world. We can use them in ganaches, ice cream, gelatos, sorbets, craft beverages like smoothies, beer, cider, spirits, kombucha. Really, you can put this in anything and it's gonna taste amazing. There's over 250 flavors to choose from in this line, which makes them very versatile. So we can go from a sweet basil to a blood orange to a chocolate, all in one sitting, and you're gonna have lots of options to choose from. I think one of our most unique products that comes in this product line is one of our vanilla options. So this is a Madagascar Bourbon vanilla with Tahitian seeds in it as well. So you get the natural fresh vanilla that everybody thinks of when they think of vanilla ice cream. And then you get that nice earthier taste of a Tahitian seed, and the blend on it just sings. It's just so interesting and awesome. Last, but certainly not least, are extracts. This is one of our highest concentrated product lines, and we have it in two versions. We have our water-based extracts and our oil-based extracts. Now, we work a lot with our customer base, and we know that there's a variety of applications that you can use it in, from savories to pastry to beverage and everything in between. We like to point out that the water-based ones are best for pastry applications. You can put them in buttercreams, cake batters, ice creams. The oil-based ones work best for chocolates and higher fat applications. As I mentioned before, our extracts are super concentrated, oftentimes with a suggested dosage level of 1% of your total batch weight. Because of this, they work really well for meringues, for macarons, and for marshmallows because they don't mess with the consistencies within your batch. We have over 500 different flavors to choose from, so you're only really limited to your imagination and what you can create. I really love using our oil-based extracts in chocolate bars and ganaches and everything like that. The lime in white chocolate, for me, just sings. It sings of spring and summer and sunlight. All right, let's recap. We talked about a few things today. Our swirls, our most straight use, are great for glazes, marbleizing, and fillings. Our artisans, with their sweetness and tartness, work great for ice cream applications. Our compounds, with their bake-proof nature and well-rounded flavor, work great for pastries, cookies, and cake batters. Our extracts are great for those kind of applications where you want to add that extra bit of aroma and flavor with no added sugars, or if you have a more temperamental kind of application where you don't want to mess with the consistency, like meringues, macarons, and marshmallows. But quite honestly, you can use them in anything. That's all we have for you guys today. Thanks again for watching. We hope this video was helpful and informative. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more about our products and recipes. If you have any more questions, click the link below and head over to our website. There you'll find all the information you need. Thanks again.